Thinking about career in physiotherapy and also thinking of doing something different, I've got you something very interesting and unique concept which is there in physiotherapy. Hello my dear friends and physios, this is me Physiotrendz from Physiotrendz, Associate Professor at Vikas College of Physiotherapy, and this video I am specially bringing you all to make you all aware about a new field, new era in physiotherapy, which is animal physiotherapy, veterinary physiotherapy. I know that we have heard of veterinary doctors, but it is very rare that we come across that veterinary physiotherapy and what is it all about, right? So that is the reason that I am making this video, to give you information about it and how it started and what is the scope of it in future. Well, talking about when it started and how it started, first association of chartered physiotherapist in animal physiotherapy was started in 1985 in UK, which later on became official part of WCPT in 2011. Now, just like conventional physiotherapy, animal physiotherapy also has different specialties like MSK, respiratory physiotherapy, sports physiotherapy, neurophysiotherapy in animal physiotherapy, and there are different subjects also to study it and also clinical practice to do in this postgraduate or diploma course. And it is one of the most growing industry in veterinary medicine, and also it works almost the same way how it works for the human physiotherapy. Talking about studying in veterinary physiotherapy, mainly it is divided in two parts, which is equine and canine. Canine means small animals, small pets like for example dogs, and equine means bigger animals which we can consider as horse or cows. So because the anatomy and physiology for both the types of animal is different, you have to study this in separate ways. So either you can become a physiotherapist for canine animals, or you can be a physiotherapist for equine animals, or you can be a physiotherapist for both the types of animals. Subjects also are very interesting in this field, like if we talk about like introduction to the animal physiotherapy, plus ethology for patient and PT communication safety, assessment of animals, applied animal physiotherapy ethics, disorders of canine front limb, disorders of canine hind limbs, and etc. etc. Basically, these subjects are targeting on understanding animals in better way because of one thing, which is animals cannot communicate directly with you just like humans. So to understand problems of animals can be a little bit difficult initially, and that is the reason that these subjects have to be learned separately in the universities. Now I know you are going to ask me that, sir, okay, this is very interesting, we want to learn this, now from where to learn it? Dear friends and physios, now if you want to work or practice as an animal physiotherapist in India, you must have specialized degree for animal physiotherapy, which is not at all part of curriculum in any universities in India, but yes, definitely in UK, like for example Liverpool University, or if you go to USA, or if you go to Australia, there are universities which are going to teach you PG courses in animal physiotherapy, which are again of 2 years of duration. In that, clinical practice is also included. I also spoke with one of the universities in UK. They told me that if you want to enroll, you will have to go to the UK on a student visa. You will have to study over there. If you want, you can continue your clinical practice in India, but for theory part, you must go to UK and study for the same. Currently, I am trying my best to gather more and more information about this, and maybe in my next video, I will be able to tell you that how you can work as an animal physiotherapist in India, how you can create your own setup, and what are the other setups which are already present in India which functions for the animal physiotherapy. So stay tuned with Physiotrendz for more information like this about physiotherapy and more.